Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Vagaro and GlossGenius, two beauty, wellness, and business management platforms. So Vagaro is a comprehensive booking and business management software that caters to salons, spas, and fitness business, offering features like online booking, payment processing, and marketing tools. While GlossGenius is designed primarily for beauty professionals, providing sleek booking, payment, and client management features with a focus on user-friendly design and personalization for small businesses. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Vagaro and GlossGenius, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you can also get rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now let's go directly to the features comparison. So when we talk about their core focus, Vagaro is a comprehensive booking and business management platform for salons, spas, and fitness centers, while GlossGenius focuses on salon and spa integration booking platform designed for beauty professionals. And for appointment scheduling, Vagaro have customizable calendar, recurring appointments, and client self-booking, while GlossGenius, they have easy-to-use scheduling with customizable booking links. For payment processing, Vagaro have integrated payments with POS support, including invoicing, while GlossGenius, they have a built-in payment processing with low transaction fees. For business management, Vagaro includes payroll, inventory tracking, and employee management, while GlossGenius, they have simplified business management, focusing on payments and client booking. And for the client management, Vagaro have detailed client profiles, loyalty programs, and automated reminders, while GlossGenius, they have client profiles with appointment history and notes, built-in reminders. For mobile app, Vagaro is available on both iOS and Android with full functionality. Same thing with GlossGenius, available on iOS and Android, focusing on mobile-first experience. For online booking, Vagaro have customizable website for online booking and business promotion. For GlossGenius, they have a branded website, and of course, they have a booking page included with the platform. For our report and analytics, Vagaro have advanced reports for sales, appointments, and employee performance, while GlossGenius, they have simplified reporting on sales and bookings. And last, for multi-location support, Vagaro, yes, they supports multiple location. Same thing with GlossGenius, primarily for individual or small businesses. So yes, that's it for the features comparison. Now let's go to pricing. And for the pre-plan, so Vagaro, they have no pre-plan. So the paid plan starting at $25 per month. No, but same thing with GlossGenius. No pre-plan, but they have a paid plans starting at $24 per month. And for the subscription plans, so Vagaro, based on the number of users and features, starting at $25 per month up to $85 per month. And for GlossGenius, as I said, they have a flat $24 per month subscription for all features. And transaction fees, Vagaro have 2.75% fees per swipe or 3.5% plus $0.15 fees for keyed in transactions. For GlossGenius, they have a 2.6% plus $0.1 fees per transaction. For premium features, Vagaro includes payroll and advanced marketing tools in higher plans if you subscribe, while GlossGenius, all features available under the standard subscription, which is the $24 per month. And yes, that's it for the pricing comparison. So now let's go directly to performance. When it comes to ease of use, Vagaro is a feature-rich platform that may require a learning curve. GlossGenius, on the other hand, they have a streamlined and user-friendly interface designed for beauty professionals. When it comes to speed and reliability, Vagaro is reliable with comprehensive tools, though can be complex for small businesses. While GlossGenius, it is a lightweight and fast, with a focus on simplicity and performance. For scalability, Vagaro is suitable for businesses of all sizes, including multi-location operation, while GlossGenius, they are best for individual, professional, or small businesses. Lastly, for integration and customization, Vagaro integrates with a variety of tools including accounting and POS system, while GlossGenius focus primarily on beauty professionals with limited integration options. So yes, that's it for the performance comparison. And now let's go directly to customer support. When it comes to availability, Vagaro is available on email and chat support Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And when it comes to weekends, they are only available on 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For GlossGenius, support available on Monday to Friday 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. only, no weekends. And for the support channels, Vagaro, they have live chat, email, and phone support. Same thing with GlossGenius, they have email, chat, and chat support, and help center. When it comes to response time, Vagaro is very responsive, though times may vary depending on complexity, while GlossGenius is quick to respond times through chat and email. And for community and resources, lastly, Vagaro have community forums, help centers, and training videos, while GlossGenius, they have help centers with articles, guides, and also chat support. So yes, that's it for the customer support comparison. So now we're done with the features, pricing, customer support comparison. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's start with Vagaro. When it comes to pros, Vagaro is a comprehensive platform that covers all aspects of business management, from appointment, scheduling to payroll. And also they are suitable for businesses of all sizes with support for multi-location operation. And lastly, they offers a wide range of marketing tools including email campaigns and social media integration. And for the cons, Vagaro pricing can be steep or for larger businesses with more employees. And the platform has a learning curve due to its feature-rich interface, which may be overwhelming for small businesses. And lastly, the transaction fees are slightly higher compared to some competitors, especially for keyed-in payments. So that's it for Vagaro pros and cons. So now let's go directly to GlossGenius pros and cons. When it comes to pros, GlossGenius is very simple. Mobile-friendly platform, ideal for individual beauty professionals or small salons. They are affordable. They have affordable flat rate pricing with all features included in one subscription plan. They have streamlined interface and easy to use tools that makes it accessible even for beginners. So yes, that's it. And when it comes to cons, GlossGenius lacks the depth of features for more complex business like needs like payroll or advanced reporting. They have limited integration with third-party tools, which may be a downside for larger businesses. And lastly, they focus only on beauty professionals, so it may not be suitable for other service industries. So yes, that's it for the GlossGenius pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons comparison. And now let's go to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Vagaro. Vagaro is referable for someone who runs a mid to large salon, spa, or fitness business with multiple employees and locations. Someone who needs advanced business management tools such as payroll, inventory tracking, and employee scheduling. Someone who wants to leverage comprehensive marketing tools like email campaigns and social media integration. And lastly, someone who is comfortable investing in a more feature-rich platform with scalability for future growth. So if you have all of these qualities right here, Vagaro is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose GlossGenius, GlossGenius is referable for someone who is an individual beauty professional or small salon owner looking for an easy-to-use platform. Someone who wants a simple, affordable solution without complicated pricing tiers or hidden costs. Someone who values a mobile first experience and wants a user-friendly interface that works well on the go. And lastly, someone who doesn't require the advanced business features but needs an efficient scheduling and payment processing tool. So if you have all of these qualities right here, GlossGenius is the best for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, both platforms serve different segments of the beauty and wellness industry. Vagaro is a robust, feature-packed solution that is perfect for larger businesses with multiple employees and location, offering comprehensive tools for business management and marketing. On the other hand, GlossGenius provides a simpler, more affordable option for individual beauty professionals and small salons, with a focus on ease of use and mobile accessibility. So if you're managing a growing business and need a platform that scales with your needs, Vagaro is the way to go. However, if you're looking for a sleek, mobile-friendly solution tailored to beauty professional, give GlossGenius a try. So with that being said, the comparison is over and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.